Hello printheads, and welcome back to the Printheads YouTube channel, where today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to refill ink for your Epson EcoTank. Now, today I'm going to be using my ET-2850. However, if your EcoTank looks a little bit different and you have a different model, that's completely okay, because every EcoTank has the exact same firmware and hardware. So this tutorial should work for any EcoTank. Now today I'm going to be showing you exactly step by step how to refill your ink. It's a very simple process. All you need is some ink and your printer, okay? You don't even need to have turned on your printer at all at this point. But yeah, so this can be when you're setting up or after you've set up. You just want to refill or fill for the first time your ink. Now, I will stress that contrary to popular belief, you don't need the official ink. So here you can see I do have the Epson ink, but honestly guys, I would just recommend getting some third-party ink because it's so much cheaper and it's literally exactly the same. I have a store below where I tend to buy my third-party ink from, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's a lot better and it's so much cheaper. Okay guys, now it's a very simple process guys. All you have to do is just open up your printer from this one. So not this one, this is your scanner. You just want to open this one, which is here. Open that up and then make sure you click it into place. Just go up and then it clicks. Okay, don't worry, it's not broken. I thought that the first time I was doing it. Okay, so you just want to do that. Now it's clicked into place and you just open this up here. This is your ink cap. Okay, it should be the same for pretty much any EcoTank. And yeah, so I'm going to be refilling my black ink. Okay, now here you just want to open the cap for your black ink, and then you're just going to want to unscrew this and open it up. I'm just going to do that really quick. Okay, I'm back. I wish I had three hands so I could have done that on camera, but it's fine. Okay, so I've unscrewed it, and now all you have to do guys is just do not squeeze this, just let it happen. Tame Impala, and just flip it over into the socket here and just put it on, and it will just push it down. Don't squeeze, and you will hear a glugging noise, a very satisfying glugging noise. And when you've refilled it to your desired amount, just take it out. Okay, it won't spill anywhere, don't worry. It's designed just to go in when it's on the refill cap properly. See, there's no spillage, no nothing, it's all good. Now, yeah, that's it guys. So all you want to do is just flip that back on, flip the printer and close this down, and you're done. You're good to start printing. You can, yeah, so this is good for whenever you want to refill your ink guys. So I hope that's been really helpful. Make sure you put the cap back on here, by the way, on your ink. Just screw it on nice and tight. I hope that's been really helpful guys. If you have any other questions or comments or problems, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. We have solutions to every printer, every problem for every printer. Okay guys, so I hope this has been helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, stay printy.